Parasol Wax Strips Face and Bikini, Hair Removal Waxing. Parasol Quick and Easy Wax Strips for Face and Bikini, 16 per pack, 1 each. Wax strips for Face and Bikini, a mess-free, express hair remover that's ready to use. Zip away unwanted hair on your upper lip, jaw, cheeks and bikini line instantly, keeping skin smooth up to 6 weeks. Small wax strips sized right for the upper lip or small areas around the bikini line. Includes a vial of azulene oil to soothe and soften skin and prevent ingrown hair. Skin Doctor's Ingrow Go Ingrown Hair Removal Lotion. Removes ingrown hairs in as little as 24 hours. Ingrow Go is designed to exfoliate skin prone to ingrown hairs and razor bumps, giving you smooth, bump-free skin. Veet Hair Removal Cream Sensitive Formula, 6.78 ounces. Veet Fast-Acting Gel Cream removes hair gently and effectively, leaving your skin feeling smooth and moisturized. Formulated with aloe vera and vitamin E, the dermatologist-tested cream comes in a pump bottle with a spatula for easy application and removal. The sensitive formula can remove hair in as little as 5 minutes, leaving skin smoother for longer than shaving. The effective Veet Fast-Acting Gel Cream penetrates your skin to dissolve hair closer to the root than shaving. Depending on texture and length, it removes hair in as little as 5 minutes. There's no leftover razor stubble or a danger of nicks and bumps. The dermatologist-tested Veet Fast-Acting Gel Cream keeps skin smooth up to twice as long as shaving. Veet products allow you to achieve silky, smooth skin. Backed by over 80 years of experience, Veet's easy-to-use products include creams and waxes that fit into your busy, modern lifestyle. Veet continues to introduce new products to stay in tune with women's hair removal needs. Persian Cold Wax Kit, Hair Removal Sugar Wax 4. What is it? Persian Cold Wax is a natural hair removal product. It is known as cold wax and is a sugar-based formula. This is a waxing kit, which means it comes with 60 ml of cold wax, 20 fabric strips and 2 spatulas. These fabric strips are washable and reusable. Who is it for? This is a kit for those wanting to fine to medium hair. Previously shaved hair should have at least 2 weeks of growth. If you have coarse hair, get in touch via Amazon, we'll recommend another product for you. How do I use it? Lukewarm wax may be a better description than cold wax. The wax should be a honey consistency, as a thin layer is required. Note, a thin layer of wax is very important to get the best results. Place jar in microwave 20 seconds. Apply a thin layer of wax, press on strip, zip off quickly and parallel to your skin and opposite the direction of hair growth. The waxing kit comes with instructions. For best results, please read these carefully. Please do not be shy, the contact details are on the packaging. Get in touch if you are having any issues. Technique can make all the difference. How do I clean it? Sugar-based waxes are easy to clean and water-soluble. Simply use a washcloth and water. More info on Persian Cold Wax. This washable hair removal wax can be used for facial waxing, leg waxing and body waxing. In the tradition of Eastern elegance and beauty in its purest form, Persian Cold Wax has remained unchanged since 1970. This proven hair remover works beautifully so, unlike any other. Persian wax is a luxurious cold wax also known as sugar wax. Made on the west coast of Canada, it is Canada's #1 cold wax. Persian wax contains all natural ingredients. The main ingredients are sugar, citric acid, and water. This authentic sugar-based formula has been trusted by women for centuries. Ideal for sensitive skin, this hair removal wax will lift hair cleanly from the root for salon smooth skin. Persian wax is long-lasting hair removal. Hair removal by waxing lasts for weeks longer than shaving. Waxing removes hair from the root, discouraging regrowth over time. Detailed photo instructions come along with the waxing kit. Be sure to read first for the best hair removal results. This kit contains everything you need for at-home body waxing. V-Epil Facial Hair Removal Device. V-Epil Facial Hair Removal Device represents the latest breakthrough in home hair removal solution. V-Epil is spectacularly effective for facial hair for women of all ethnicity. It's completely safe and easy to use everywhere, even without using a mirror. In fact, after regular and continued use of the product, many find that hair regrowth begins to slow, fading the hair follicle roots, resulting in almost no hair growth over time. To use, place the V-Epil against your skin, while slightly stretching the skin around your mouth, and roll in a continuous motion against the hair direction as you feel how the hair is thoroughly removed from the roots. After a short period, skin is smooth, hair-free with no redness or bruising left behind. Professional Spa Quality Wax Applicator Spatula Large Sticks 4. Disposable wood applicators 100 pieces. Women's Shaver Kyle Star Electric Hair Removal Dry Wet Personal. Love this shaver, purchased it for my mother-in-law a couple of months ago. It does a clean shave on her facial hair and doesn't cause her any pain. I would recommend this shaver. It is the best I have found, and I had purchased 2 other brands of shavers for her that did not work. CNV Professional Laser Hair Removal Machine. The adapter is not for the USA. So I have to find one before I can try it out. LOL. Melee tweezers and scissors set for eyebrows shaping with. The scissors are kind of dull and don't work very well, but the additional tools are awesome and worth it.